Have time for a little recap today, and I took a very classic Barbie trade this morning, so I wanted to show it to you. And I did take the orb on both NASDAQ and ES this morning, and that trade worked out great. But again, this was just one of those classic A plus setups that I'd love to take. So basically this morning, what I was watching is this pattern that's been forming on the ES in this yellow box. It's really kind of a megaphone. I drew two versions of the top line, but basically I was kind of watching this whole area. And what's happened is we have put in a really nice range, and we just keep bouncing in this same range. It's a little bit of a slanty range, a little bit of a megaphone, but I'll take it. And then this morning, you can see where this kind of pre-market line is here. We had a little bit of data. It didn't come in real dramatic, but the market was right down here at support that I had marked from earlier in the week as part of my plan. And I had also drawn this box around it down here because I was really seeing this becoming a really strong zone of support, not just, an everyday run-of-the-mill level. And so when we had this megaphone structure supported by this support, this was just a buy all day long for me. So what this looks like on the smaller charts, here's the 5-minute. This is that move down. This is when I was on the computer getting ready for the day, kind of starting my plan, and I was able to buy this down here. At the same time, NASDAQ was coming in around the 600 level, 22,600 down here. And so I bought that level of 22,600 and I was targeting 22,700, and I did end up getting that one to play out. That was kind of a secondary play. I took that one in a smaller size. I went full in on this ES play here. So what happened on this one is I bought in here, and then we were getting into that time of day that I really don't like to have trades on, or I really like to have my stop into profit, because this 30 minutes before the market opens is really just kind of unpredictable and doesn't really mesh well with the little tricks and things that I have for my entries. So I did take a bulk of my profits in here on this surge, and then I left two runners. When the market opened, I was still hanging on to those runners because they were still in profit. And then we made another move lower, and this was a pre-market level. I don't remember from what day. So once we got down to that level and started climbing back higher again, I added to my position. So I had the original two runners going and then a new position. And my first main target that I was looking for is the 62.50 level up here. And then I left two runners going for 62.65 up here. I really thought that we would hit that today. One of the runners I took off around the 62.55, and then I left the computer, left my auto trail going. Trail got hit on this candle, unfortunately. So both of them got taken out a little bit before profit, but it was still a really, really profitable trade, especially because I kind of doubled it up on NASDAQ. And then I also had the orb trade going on ES and NASDAQ today. So overall, a really profitable day. I'll take it, especially coming into the holiday. So clean sheet today. Love that. We'll hit it again really hard next week, maybe a little bit tomorrow. We'll see. All right. Love you. Take care.